Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to unclog your sink and other drainage system at your home. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. So guys, clogging in your sink is a very common problem and it happens in every household at certain time. Because even though you take enormous protection of not throwing large stuff here, and even if you use protective items like this, still the dirty water with soap and other things go inside the drain and it can form grease. Okay, so in order to clean it, like there are various methods that people suggest, but something that you can use at home is you should use something like clog dissolvers, something that goes into the clogs and something that goes down the line and dissolve the clog. So I'm gonna use this green gobbler. This I purchased from Home Depot. And when you purchase something like this, always read the instructions so that you know how much quantity you need to pass, for how long you need to pass, and what you need to do later. So for this one, for sink, it has said that use half bottle, so we'll use almost half, and then leave it for 15 to 30 minutes, and if possible overnight, and then run the hot water. Okay, so I'm gonna begin with this. So now I'm adding this here. I'll add some this side also. Almost half I have done. If you're doing it for toilets, you have to do for whole, but for this one we have to leave it for like half you can add. So I have added almost half. Of course I cannot do it exactly, and as per the process I have to leave it for 15 to 30 minutes and then flush with hot tap water for 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, so now we are gonna come back after 30 minutes. Don't worry, I won't hold you for that. Okay guys, so 30 minutes have passed. Now it's time to start the water, and it has to be hot water, of course, as per the protocol that was defined. So right now I have turned the hot water on and it has to go for 5 minutes. But one thing for sure, I am saying that water is flowing really fast, but still I will let it run for 5 minutes at it was mentioned. Don't worry, I won't hold you for 5 minutes again, and I'll show the result at the end. 5 minutes are over and you can see that full speed of water is just flowing down the drain with no accumulation. This is really good, and definitely the liquid has done its work. So that's it guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.